In this video I am going to discuss about the addition and subtraction of fractions. Now let us see how to add and subtract the fractions. Suppose if we are getting a fraction here 5 by 8 plus 1 by 8 and we have to add the fraction. So what we do in this case, you can see here that these both fractions are like fractions. I have told that like fractions are the fractions in which the denominators are same. So in that case we simply add the numerator. 5 plus 1 will be 6 upon 8, and if we want you can reduce the fraction into simplest form. So 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, that is 3 by 4. Second question, if we are getting as 1 whole 3 by 5 plus 2 whole 4 by 5, you can see that both the numbers are mixed fraction. So first is that we have to convert this number into improper fraction. So 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. Now you can see that these are like fractions because denominators are same. In the case of like fractions, we simply add the numerator. 14 plus 8 will be 22 upon 5. And you can convert this improper into mixed fraction again. So 22, 5 4s are 20, 2 is the remainder, 4 will come here, 4 whole 2 upon 5, and this will be a result. Now see the third question. If you will get the third question here as 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 5 whole 5 by 6. You can see that both are mixed fraction. So again we are going to convert into improper. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 5 35 by 6. Now you can see that both are unlike fractions because denominators are different. In that case we used to take out the LCM of denominators. So when we will take out the LCM of 4 and 6, so it will come as 12. Now we divide this 12 by 4. So when we will divide this 12 by 4, it will come 3. And we multiplied that 3 by the numerator. We multiplied that 3 by the numerator. Again we divide this 12 by 6, it will come 2. And 2 is multiplied by the numerator. It will be 2 into 35. Now 11 into 3 will be 33. 35 into 2 will be 70 upon 12. Again add it, you will get here as 103 by 12. And at the last you can convert this into mixed fraction. So 103 by 12. So it will come 12. 8 jar 96. 13 minus 6 will be 7. So it will come 8 whole 7 by 12. So in this way we are going to add the fractions whenever it is or unlike fraction. Now we will discuss some questions of subtraction. Subtraction is also same as addition, whatever we have studied. Now if you will get the question here as 5 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Now you can see that these both are like fractions. Again we simply subtract the numerator. 5 minus 4 will be 1. So our result is 1 by 9. Next question if you will get here as 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8. Now both are unlike. So again take out the LCM of 8 and 2. When we will take out the LCM of 8 and 2, so it will come 8. So 8 divided by 2 4, 4 into 1 4. 8 divided by 8 1, 1 into 3 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1 by 8. Next question we will get here as 6 whole 2 by 3 minus 3 whole 3 by 4. So again we used to subtract But first of all, convert into your improper. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is or 15 by 4. Now take out the LCM of 3 and 4 because these both are unlike fraction. So LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 4 into 20 is or 80. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into 15 is 45. Now again subtract, is 35 upon 12, and at the last we can again convert into your mixed fraction by simply dividing 35 by 12. So 12 2s are 24, 1 1. So it will come 2 whole 11 by 12. Now let us discuss some more questions based on addition and subtraction. Now suppose if you get the question here as simplify 5 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. Now you can see that there are some positive values and some negative values. So first of all we take out the LCM because all are unlike. So LCM of 8, 4 and 12. 2 4s are 2s are 6 are 2 2s are 1 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So our LCM here is of 24. Now 24 divided by 8 is 3, 3 5s are 15, plus 24 divided by 4 is 6, 6 3s are 18, minus 24 divided by 12 is 2, 2 7s are 14. Now both values are positive as we have studied about the integers. No sign in front, so it means your positive value. So 15 plus 18. First of all we will add 15 plus 18. It will come 33 and 33 minus 14. It will be your 19. So our result is 19 upon 24. Now let us do one more question based on this simplification. Now see, next question is given as 5 whole 3 by 4 minus 4 whole 5 by 12 plus 3 whole 1 by 6. Now again we convert this value into your improper fraction. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3 is 23 by 4, 12 4s are 48, 48 plus 5 will be 53 upon 12 plus 19 by 6. Again here we take out the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 4, 12 and 6. 6 are 2 3s are 2 1 3 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So our LCM here is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into 23 is or 69. It will come 69 minus it will come 53 plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. 19 2s are 38. Now I can see again first of all we can subtract 69 minus 53. So 69 minus 53 is your 16 and 16 plus 38 will be your 54. That is 54 upon 12. Both the value can be easily cancelled by 2 because they are coming in the lowest term. So 2 6 ja and 2 27 ja, again 3 2 ja and 3 9 ja. So 9 upon 2. When we are going to convert into improper fraction, it will come 4 whole 1 by 2. So these are the some questions based on the addition and subtraction. So these are all about your chapter fractions.